morning children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to learn different ways to add a number to another or subtract a number from another. The first method we use is the 10 frame. We make a frame of 10 boxes. The sum given over here is 5 plus 2. So we will fill up the first 5 boxes and then we'll fill up the other 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 will make, correct, 7. The other method is we use our fingers. Our fingers are always handy with us. We can count whenever we want. So the other method is we use the same sum for this method. We have 5 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer for 5 plus 2 will be 7. So this is the way we use our fingers. The third method is we can use counters. Now counters could be anything that you have at home which are in plenty. So for examples, you could use marbles, we can use shells, we can use seeds, tamarind seeds, we can use pencils, we can use anything that you have in plenty. So you take them together and put 5 pencils together, make a bunch of 5 pencils and make a bunch of 2 pencils. You count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. So 5 plus 2 will give us 7. The fourth method is the number line. We make a number line from 1 to 15. The sum given over here is 6 plus 3. So we go to number 6. When it's plus, we move towards the bigger number, that is towards your right hand side. We move forward. So we go to number 6 and jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. What number do we reach? We reach the number 9. That's correct. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now if we have to subtract on the number line, how will we do that? Let's use the sum 11 minus 2. We go to the number 11 here and we jump backwards, behind, to the left side. We move behind 2 steps. So 11 minus 2. 1, 2. We reach the number 9. So that's the way we subtract on the number line. The fifth method is of drawing dots on your paper. The sum given here is 4 plus 2. So we can draw 4 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 dots here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. The sixth method and the best method according to me is put the bigger number in your head and count on. So the sum here is 8 plus 2. So you put the 8 number in your head and start counting 2 steps forward. So it will be 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. That's correct. Similarly, if you want to subtract, you will go backwards. 8 minus 2 would be, we have to go 8. We'll do backward counting. So 8 minus 2 will give us 8, 7, 6. So 8 minus 2 will be 6. Correct. Similarly, on your fingers, when we have to subtract, we go 5 minus 2 will give us 3. Similarly, when we use our counters, We put 5 counters together. We minus 2 counters. Out of those, we will be left with 3. On the 10 frame, if we have to subtract 5 minus 2, we draw 5 and we cut out the 2. What will we be left with? 3 dashes. That's correct. Okay children, so I will see you tomorrow in your next maths class with all the different sums. Bye-bye.